Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. In this video, we will solve exercise 4D remaining sums and a few important examples. That is 7 marks questions. Now, second and fifth question. Transform each of the following equations into ones in which the coefficients of the second highest power of x is 0. Second highest power of x is 0 and also find the transformed equations. So what is given? X power 3 minus 6x square plus 10x minus 3 equals to 0. We have find the transformed equation, new equation find cheyali. Condition, what is given condition? Coefficients of the second highest power of x is 0. Coefficient of second highest power of x is 0. Here, what is the highest power of x is? It is cubic equation. First highest power is 3. First highest power of x is equals to 3. Second highest power of x is x square. Second highest power of x is x square. Now we take the transformed equation, that is f of x plus h. Now take f of x plus h is equals to f of x plus h is equals to substitute x is equals to x plus h whole power 3 minus 6 into x plus h whole square plus 10 into x plus h minus 3 is equals to 0. It is the form of a plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube formula? A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. 3ab square. This is a plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube formula simplify and x power 3 vastundi plus h power 3 plus 3a square b, 3x square into h plus 3ab square, 3x into h square minus 6 into a plus b whole square formula, x square plus h square plus 2xh plus 10 to multiply and 10 into x, 10x vastundi, 10x plus 10h minus 3 is equals to 0. So x power 3 plus h power 3 plus 3x square h plus 3x h square minus 6 to multiply minus 6 into x square minus 6x square minus 6h square minus 12xh plus 10x plus 10h minus 3 is equals to 0. Now x power 3. Take out x square common, x square term ikkada undi, x square term. So 3h minus 6 into x square plus take out x common. What is x? Here x. So remaining into 3h square, x term minus 12h, x term plus 10, 10x into 10 plus right constant remaining. So h power 3. So minus 6h square plus 10h minus 3 is equals to 0. So take it as equation number 1. Equation number 1. In the question given, coefficient of the second highest power of x is 0. What is the second highest power of x is? X square. So coefficient becomes 0. Given 3h minus 6 is equals to 0. Where take 3h minus 6 is equals to 0. So now 3h minus 6 is equals to 0. This implies 3h is equals to 6. H is equals to 6 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, h is equals to 2. H is equals to 2. Now substitute h equals 2 value in equation 1. In equation 1. So 1 implies, so x power 3 plus 3h, 3 into 2 minus 6 into x square. H equals 2 kada, 2 substitute chestunna plus 3h square, 3 into h square, 2 square. So minus 12h, minus 12 into 2 plus 10 into x. Next constant h power 3 into 2 power 3 plus minus 6 into 2 square plus 10h plus 10 into 2 minus 3 is equals to 0. So x power 3 plus 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 6 0 వస్తుంది అంటే 0 into x square, 0 into x square. Next 2 square అంటే 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 12 2s are 24 plus 10 into x plus 2 power 3 అంటే 8, 8 minus 2 square అంటే 4, 4 6 are 24 plus 10 2s are 20 minus 3 is equals to 0. So x power 3, 0 into x square 0, 12 plus 10, 12 plus 20, 20 minus 24 minus 2x. So 24 3 to the 2 square, right? 4 4 to the 12, right? 10. So minus 2x plus 8 plus 20 28 minus 24 4 4 minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. This is a required transformed equation. ఈ గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చిన మనకి ఫైనల్ వచ్చిన రిజల్ట్ లో x స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్ ఉండదు, అది ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది మనకి. ఎందుకంటే కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x స్క్వేర్ సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 0 ఇస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ. సో ఆ టర్మ్ ఉండదు, ఆ టర్మ్ మిస్ అవుతుంది. రిమైనింగ్ టర్మ్ x పవర్ 3 minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. సో ఇది x పవర్ 3 ఉంటే ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. x పవర్ 4 అలా ఉందనుకోండి, సో చేయడానికి కొంచెం టైం పడుతుంది. సో సింపుల్ వే ఎలా చేస్తామంటే సెకండ్ మెథడ్ ఉంది మనకి. వి విల్ డు ఇన్ సెకండ్ మెథడ్. f dash, what is here given? సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ x కదా, సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ x కదా, అంటే 2 టైం డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేస్తాం. f dash of h equals 0 తీసుకుంటాం. f double dash of h equals to 0. సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ x కదా, సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ x అంటే x స్క్వేర్ అండ్ 2 టైమ్స్ చేయాలి మనం. 2 టైమ్స్ f double dash of h equals 0 అంటే మనకి ఫైనల్ h వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. ఆఫ్టర్ గెటింగ్ h వాల్యూ we will do by using Horner's method. Horner's method. Now I am doing same first question by using second method. Second method is very easy. So try to remember second method only. So what is given? F of x. F of x is equals to x power 3 minus 6x square plus 10x minus 3 equals 0. So first what is given? Coefficient of second highest power of x. Coefficient of second highest power of x. Second highest power of x power, first highest power x power 3, second highest power 2 కదా. So we do 2 times differentiation. 2 times differentiation అంటే ఫస్ట్ f dash of x చేయాలి, నెక్స్ట్ f double dash of x. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ f dash of x, d by dx of f of x, d by dx of x power 3 minus 6x square plus 10x minus 3. So plus 10x minus 3. What is the d by dx of x power 3? In math 1b first year we studied already in first year. X power 3 d by dx of x power 3 is 3x square. X power n d by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. X square 2x, 6 into 2x, d by dx of x 1, 10 into 1, 10, d by dx of constant is 0. So 3x square minus 12x plus 10. This is f dash of x. F dash of x. Do again differentiation second time. F double dash of x is equals to d by dx of 3x square minus 12x plus 10. So d by dx of x square 2x. So 3 into 2x. D by dx of x 1 minus 12 into 1 12. D by dx of constant is 0. So 12x 6x minus 12. F double dash of x. F double dash of x is equals to 6x minus 12. So d by dx of x power n formula. D by dx of x power n is equals to n into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. Now this is f double dash of x. Now take f double dash of h equals 0. F double dash of h is equals to 0. So x plus h substitute చేయండి. 6h minus 12. 6h minus 12 is equals to 0. So 6h is equals to 12. H is equals to 12 by 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. H is equals to 2. Now by taking h equals to and do Horner's method. So what is the coefficient of x power 3? 1. Coefficient of x square minus 6. Coefficient of x 10. constant to minus 3. H equals to 2 kada. Do RS method 1 plus 0 1. 2 ones are 2. Minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 10 minus 8 2. 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 3 1. Next, take this as a reminder. 1 plus 0 1. 2 ones are 2. Minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. So minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. Next again 0 1 plus 0 1. 2 ones are 2 0. So take this as x0 a0. This as a1 a2 a3. So required equation is a0 x power 3 kada, highest a0 x power 3 plus a1 x power x square plus a2 x plus a3 is equals to 0. Now substitute values. A0 value 1. 1 x power 3 into x power 3 plus a1 value 0. 0 into x square plus a2 value minus 2. Minus 2 into x plus a3 value 1 plus 1 equals to 0. So x power 3 0 into x square 0 minus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. This is second method. So that to do in second method only because it is easy. Now second question. X power 4 plus 4x power 3 plus 2x square minus 4x minus 2 is equals to 0. So f of x is equals to x power 4 plus 4x power 3 plus 2x square minus 4x minus 2 is equals to 0. Here given second highest power of x. What is the second highest power here? First highest power is x power 4. X power 4. Second highest power is x power 3. Second highest power is x power 3. ఇక్కడ x power 3 కదా అంటే 3 టైమ్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ అంటే 2 టైమ్స్ కాదు. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ x power 4, second highest power x power 3. So we have do differentiation 3 times. F triple dash of x. Okay na? First write f dash of x. F dash of x is equals to d by dx of x power 4 plus 4x power 3 plus 2x square minus 4x minus 2. So d by dx of x power n formula. N into x power n minus 1. N is equals to 4. So 4 into x power 3. 4 into x power 3 plus 4 into d by dx of x power 3. 3x square plus 2 into d by dx of x square 2x. d by dx of x 1. d by dx of constant 0. So ఏమొస్తుంది 4x power 3. 4 3 are 12. 12x square plus 4x minus 4. This is f dash of x. ఒకసారి differentiation. Do second time differentiation. F double dash of x is equals to and d by dx of 4x power 3 plus 12x square plus 4x minus 4. So x power 3 3x square and 4 into 3x square plus 12 into d by dx of x square 2x plus 4 into d by dx of x is 1, d by dx of 4 is constant 0. So 12x square plus 24x plus 4. This is f double dash of x. Let's find if it this is f double dash of x. Second highest power of x is 3 kada. So 3 times here manam. F triple dash of x is equals to, so d by dx of 12x square plus 24x plus 4. X square d by dx of x square 2x into 2x. X is 1, 24 constant 0. So 12 2s are 24. 24x plus 24. Now we have take f triple dash of h equals 0. F triple dash of h is equals to 0. Triple dash of h ante substitute x equals to h here. 24h plus 24 is equals to 0. So 24h is equals to minus 24. send 24 right side, divides RHS, minus 24 by 24, 24 ones are 24 ones are, so H is equals to minus 1. Now by taking H equals to minus 1, do Harris method. Okay na? So what is given? Coefficient of x power 4. X power coefficient is 1. X power 3 coefficient 4. X square coefficient 2. X coefficient minus 4. Constant minus 2. So what we will take H equals to minus 1. H equals to minus 1. So 0. 1 plus 0 1. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. 4 minus 1 3. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. Minus into minus plus. 1 3 is 3. So 3 minus 2 1. 3 minus 2 1. 4 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 plus 1. Right. Next. 0. 1 plus 0 1. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. 3 minus 1 2. Minus 1 into 2. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2 minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 0. Next. 0. 1 plus 0 1. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. 2 minus 1 1. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Next. 0 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 0. So take this as A1, A0, this as A1, this as A2, this as A3, this as A4, A4. So what is the required equation? Required equation is A0 x power 4. X power 4 को highest degree x power 4 kada. So A0 x power 4 plus A1 x power 3 plus A2 x square plus A3x plus A4 equals to 0. So now substitute values A0 value A1, A2, A3, A4. So A0 value is 1 into x power 4 plus A1 value 0 into x power 3 0 plus A2 value minus 4 into x square minus 4x square. Next A3 value 0 into x is 0. Next constant A4 is 1. So plus 1 equals to 0. This is the required equation. Here second highest power is not there. Second highest power coefficient of x, second highest power of x is 0. And the second highest power of x is x power 3. ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ లో ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో x power 3 టర్మ్ ఉండదు మనకి. ఓకేనా? Now ఈ ఫిఫ్త్ బిట్ లో రిమైన్ టూ సమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. Do that as homework. Now sixth question. Transform which of the following equations into ones in which the coefficients of the third highest power of x is 0. This also same as fifth question, but here given third highest power of x is 0. They are given second highest power of x is 0 in fifth question. Here third highest power of x is 0. So solution, we will do the second method only. Let f of x is equals to x power 4 plus 2x power 3 minus 12x square plus 2x minus 1 equals 0. So what is the third highest power of x here? First highest power is x power 4. Second highest power x power 3. Third highest power is x square. Third highest power is x square. Square power is 2. So we have to take f double dash 2 times differentiation. 2 times differentiation. So find f double dash. So first f dash of x equals to direct rasna d by x of x power 4 4x power 3 4x power 3 plus 2 into d by x of x power 3 3x square minus 12 into d by x of x square 2x plus d by x of x is 1. So 2 into 1 2. D by x of constant is 0. Minus 1 is constant. So that is 0. So 4x power 3 plus 6x square minus 24x. Now take f double dash. This is f dash of x. F double dash of x equals to second term differentiation. So d by x of x power 3 ఎంత వస్తుంది 3x square 4 into 3x square plus 6 into d by dx of x square 2x minus 24 into d by dx of x is 1 24 into 1. So 4 3 is 12x square 6 2 is 12 12x minus 24. This is f double dash of x. f double dash అయినప్పుడు ఎందుకంటే థర్డ్ x power is x square కదా 2 times differentiation చేయాలి ఓకేనా. నౌ క్వశ్చన్ లో థర్డ్ ఉందని 3 times చేయకండి. ఈక్వేషన్ చూడండి, ఈక్వేషన్ లో చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి, సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. x ఫస్ట్ is x power 4, second is x power 3, third is x square, so we have to 2 times differentiation. Now f double dash of h equals 0, f double dash of h is equals to 0. So substitute x equals h here, 12h square plus 12h minus 24 is equals to 0. What is common? Total 12 common. 12 common is remaining game వస్తుంది మనకి h square plus h 24 and 12 2s కదా minus 2 is equals to 0. Factorization 2 1s are 2. So yes, h square we can write plus 2h as h square plus 2h minus h, 2h minus h వస్తుంది minus 2 is equals to 0. From first two terms take as h is common, remaining h plus 2. From last two terms take as minus 1 common, remaining h plus 2 equals to 0. Again h plus 2 common, h plus 2, next h minus 1 equals 0. h plus 2 equals 0. This implies h is equals to minus 2. h minus 1 is equals 0. This implies h is equals to plus 1. Now we take the Horner's method by h equals to minus 2 and h equals to plus 1. Now I am taking h equals to by h equals to minus 2. So ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటున్నాం. వస్తుంది కదా right. So x power 4 coefficient is 1. x power 4 coefficient is 1, x power 3 coefficient 2, x square coefficient minus 12, x coefficient 2, constant minus 1, constant minus 1, h equals to take minus 2, 0, 1 plus 0 1, so minus 2 into 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2 0, minus 2 into 0 0, 2 minus 12 plus 0 minus 12, minus into minus plus 12 to the 24, 24 plus to 26, minus into plus minus 26 to the 52, 52. So last is minus 53, minus 53. Next 0, 1 plus 0 1, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 to the 4, minus 12 plus 4 minus 8, minus 8, minus into minus plus 8 to the 16, 8 to the 16, so 42, again 0, 1 plus 0 1, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8, 0. Again 0, 1 plus 0 1, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus 4 minus 2 minus 6, so take this as a0, this as a1, this as a2, this as a3, a4, a4, enough. So what is the required equation? a0 x power 4. So required equation is a0 x power 4 అంటే 1 into x power 4, 1 into x power 4, a0 x power 4 plus a1 x power 3 plus a2 x square plus a3 x plus a4 equals to 0. Now substitute values. a0 value 1, 1 into x power 4, plus a1 minus 6 into x power 3 minus 6x power 3 minus 6x power 3 plus a2 value 0 into x square 0 plus a3 42 into x plus 42x a4 minus 53 is equals to 0. This is the required equation. Remaining we have h equals to 1. H equals 1 కూడా check చేసుకోవాలి by taking h is equals to 1. So what are coefficient 1 2 minus 12 2 minus 1 h is equals to 1 తో చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి h equals 2 వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా h equals minus 2 h equals 1 రెండితో చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి సో 1 plus 0 1 1 1 is 1 2 plus 1 3 1 3 is 3 minus 12 plus 3 minus 9 1 into minus 9 minus 9 minus 2 plus 7 minus 7 1 into minus 7 minus 7 minus 8 next continue the same process 1 plus 0 1 1 1 is 1 3 plus 1 4 1 4 is 4 minus 9 plus 4 minus 5 1 into minus 5 minus 5 total minus 12 again 0 1 plus 0 1 1 is 1 4 plus 1 5 1 into 5 5 plus 5 minus 5 plus 5 0 again 1 plus 0 1 1 into 1 1 6 so this is a0 a1 a2 a3 this is a4 so substitute in this equation what is given a0 x power 4 a0 x power 4 and 1 into x power 4 x power 4 next a1 6 into x power 3 6x power 3 plus a2 value 0 into x square 0 a3 minus 12 into x minus 12x last constant a4 minus 8 is equals to 0. These two are required equations. Okay, now in sixth question we have second question also. Do that also homework. Now seventh question, solve the equations. In that first one, x power 4 minus 10x power 3 plus 26x square minus 10x plus 1 equals 0. Here degree of this equation is 4 ఉంటే మన ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి రాదు సో దాన్ని క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఫామ్ లో చేంజ్ చేసుకుందాం డిగ్రీ 2 వచ్చేటట్టు కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం ఓకేనా డిగ్రీ 2 కావాలంటే x పవర్ 4 ఉంది కదా దాన్ని 2 తో x స్క్వేర్ తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే డిగ్రీ 2 అవుతుంది ఓకేనా టోటల్ టర్మ్స్ ని x స్క్వేర్ తో డివైడ్ చేయండి సో x పవర్ 4 by 2 అంటే x స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది x స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ x పవర్ 3 by ఓకే x పవర్ 4 by x స్క్వేర్ minus 10x power 3 by x square plus 26x square by x square minus 10x by x square plus 1 by x square equals to 0. So x power 4 by x square and x square was remaining. Kada x square is cancel remaining x 10x. X square cancel remaining 26. Next xx cancel. Xx cancel remaining minus 10 by x plus 1 by x square equals to 0. So ikkada x square x 1 by x square terms write together. So x square plus 1 by x square kada oka daggara rasuna 1 by x square next minus 10x minus 10 by x plus 26 equals to 0. So we can write this as x square plus 1 by x square total minus 10 common ఉంది కదా minus 10 common రండి x plus 1 by x వస్తుంది plus 26 equals to 0 so ఈ టర్మ్ కూడా x plus 1 by x whole square ఫార్మ్ లో రాయాలి so it is in the form of a square plus b square a square plus b square a square plus b square is equals to we can write this as a plus b whole square minus 2ab a plus b whole square minus 2ab a square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab a is equals to x b is equals to 1 by x so if formula rasuna x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2ab kada 2 into a ante x b ante 1 by x minus 10 into x plus 1 by x plus 26 equals to 0. So ఇక్కడ x cancel అవుతుంది, రిమైనింగ్ ఏంటి x plus 1 by x whole square minus 10 into x plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x. ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ 2 ones are 2 కదా అంటే minus 2. 26 minus 2 అంటే 24 వస్తుంది, plus 24 equals to 0. Now here take x plus 1 by x is equals to t. Put x plus 1 by x is equals to t. Put x plus 1 by x is equals to t. This is question number 1 తీసుకోండి, take this as 2. Substitute x plus 1 by x is equals to t. Equation 1 లో substitute చేయండి, ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి x plus 1 by x t కదా, t square minus 10t plus 24 is equals to 0. T square minus 10t plus 24 is equals to 0. Now if it is possible factorize 24 what are the factors of 24? 12 2s are 24 common కదా, 24 and 12 2s are positive రావాలి, minus 2 not possible, రెండు minus రావాలి. So 8 3s are 6 4s are 24. So minus 20 minus 6 minus 4 రాసుకోవచ్చు. So t square minus 60 minus 40, 6 4 is 24 కదా, plus 24 equals to 0. So take out t common from first two terms. From last two terms take out minus 4 common. So t common in first two terms నుండి what t common is remaining ఏంటి, t minus 6 take out minus 4 common, remaining t minus 6 is equals to 0. So again what is common, t minus 6 common, t minus 6 common, remaining t minus 4 is equals to 0. So t minus 6 is equals to 0. This implies t is equals to 6. Again t minus 4 is equals to 0. This implies t is equals to 4. Now we have t equals 6 and t equals to 4. Now take case 1 if t is equals to 6. Substitute in equation 2. Case 1, if t is equals to 6, substitute in equation 2. 2 implies x plus 1 by x is equals to 6. X plus 1 by x is equals to 6. What is LCM? x1 is x square plus 1 by x is equals to 6. X ration send చేయండి into 6 అవుతుంది, అంటే x square plus 1 is equals 6x. Send 6x left side, x square minus 6x plus 1 is equals to 0. X square minus 6x plus 1 is equals to 0. 1 was a 1, factors of 1 only, so 6x factorization not possible. ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం మరి, so we know a equals to 1, b is equals to minus 6, c is equals to 1. By using formula x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. b square minus 4ac by 2a. ఈ ఫార్ములా నుండి సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం మనం, ఓకేనా. Substitute x is equals to minus b. What is b అనేది minus of minus 6 plus or minus under root of b square 6 square minus 4ac 4 into 1 into 1 by 2a 2 into 1 plus 6 plus or minus under root of 36 minus 4 32 వస్తుంది, డైరెక్ట్ రాస్తున్నా, by 2 root 32 అంటే 4 8 4 16 2s are 32, 16 2s are 32 is equals to 6 plus or minus 16 2s are 32 by 2. So root 16 అంటే 4 వస్తుంది, so we can add this as 6 plus or minus 4 root 2 by 2. So total నుండి take out common 2 common రాయండి, remaining ఏంటి 3 plus or minus 2 root 2 by 2. 2 2 cancel, 3 plus or minus 2 root 2. 3 plus or minus 2 root 2. Case 1. Now case 2, if t is equals to 4. Case 2, if t is equals to 4, substitute in equation 2. In equation 2, so 2 implies what is second equation? X plus 1 by x is equals to t. So x plus 1 by x is equals to 4. So LCM x into x square plus 1 by x is equals to 4. If x right hand side into x avutundi, x square plus 1 is equals to 4x. Send 4x left side. X square minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. X square minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. Here also factors not possible. So find by using formula minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So what is a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4, c is equals to 1. So x is equals to minus b kada, minus of minus 4 plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 1 by 2a, 2 into 1, minus into minus plus 4 plus or minus under root of 4 square 16 minus 4 by 2. So is equals to 4 plus or minus under root of 16 minus 4 12 by 2. 12 ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం 4 3 12 రాయొచ్చు. సో x is equals to 4 plus or minus under root of 4 3 12 by 2. Root 4 అంటే 2. So 4 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 2. Take out 2 common. 2 common remaining 2 ఉంటుంది. 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. X is equals to 2 plus or minus root 3. So x is equals to 2 plus or minus root 3. Case 1 and what are the roots? From case 1, 3 plus or minus 2 root 3. 3, 4 is the right. From case, therefore roots are 3 plus or minus 2 root 2 comma 2 plus or minus root 3. It is a fourth degree equation. Therefore we will get total 4 roots. అదే ఫిఫ్త్ డిగ్రీ ఇచ్చిన అనుకోండి, మన ఫోర్త్ డిగ్రీలో కన్వర్ట్ చేసి ఫోర్త్ డిగ్రీ ఉండి సేమ్ మనకి x పవర్ 4 ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది కదా, సేమ్ ఇదే ప్రొసీజర్ ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. ఓకేనా? నౌ సెకండ్ వన్, 2x పవర్ 5 plus x పవర్ 4 minus 12x పవర్ 3 minus 12x square plus x plus 2 is equal 0. Here we have fifth degree equation. ఫిఫ్త్ డిగ్రీ ఉంది కదా, దాన్ని ఫోర్త్ డిగ్రీ కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఫోర్త్ డిగ్రీ ఈక్వేషన్ అయిన తర్వాత సేమ్ ఈ ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చేసాం కదా, సేమ్ అదే మోడల్ లో చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ by using harness method, what is the x power 5 coefficient? 2. So 2 is the coefficient. X power 4 coefficient 1. X power 3 coefficient minus 12. X square coefficient minus 12. X coefficient 1, constant 2. So take plus 1 or minus 1 here. ఇక్కడ రిమైండర్ 0 వచ్చేటట్టు ప్లస్ 1 or minus 1 తో చెక్ చేసుకోండి. డోంట్ టేక్ రిమైనింగ్ 2 3 4. చెక్ టేక్ ప్లస్ 1 or minus 1. ప్లస్ 1 అనేది పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది or minus 1 అనేది పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. సో ప్లస్ 1 తీసుకుంటే ఏమొస్తుంది? 1 plus 0, 2 plus 0 2, 1 2s are 2, 1 plus 2 3, 1 3s are 3, minus 12 plus 3 minus 9, 1 into minus 9 minus 9, minus 12 minus 9 minus 21. So minus 21 plus 20, ఇక్కడ 0 రిమైండర్ రావట్లేదు. సో టేక్ minus 1. ప్లస్ 1 or minus 1 చెక్ చేసుకోండి, డెఫినెట్ ఏదో ఒకటి వస్తుంది మనకి. ఓకేనా? సో 2 plus 0 2, 1 into minus 2 minus 2, 1 into minus 2 minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1, minus 12 plus 1 minus 11, 1 into 11 plus 11, minus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 2, minus 2. So what is the remainder? The remainder is 0. So minus 1 is 1 root. Minus 1 is 1 root. Now we are finding the remaining 4 roots. Degree 5 కదా, total 5 roots ఉంటాయి. ఒక రూట్ వచ్చింది మనకి. ఈ వీటి నుండి ఈక్వేషన్ ఫార్మ్ చేద్దాం. x పవర్ 4 ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఫార్మ్ చేద్దాం. సో దిస్ ఇస్ కాన్స్టాంట్ x పవర్ x టర్మ్, x కోఎఫిషియంట్, x స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్, x పవర్ 3 కోఎఫిషియంట్, x పవర్ 4 కోఎఫిషియంట్. సో ఎలా రాద్దాం దీన్ని? 2x పవర్ 4 minus 1 into x power 3 minus x power 3 minus 11 కదా, minus 11x square minus x plus 2 is equals to 0. x power 4 ఉంటే పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదు. సో దాన్ని x power 2 లో కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం మనం. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చేసాం కదా, ఇక్కడ ఉంటే సేమ్ అదే ప్రొసీజర్ ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. అంటే టోటల్ ఏం చేయాలి మనం ఎవ్రీ టర్మ్ ని x తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి. సో 2x పవర్ 4 by x square minus x power 3 by x square minus 11x square by x square minus x by x square plus 2 by x square is equals to 0. So cancellation x square cancel. ఇక్కడ x square x power 3 and x square cancel, ఇంకో x ఉంటుంది. x square cancel, remaining x square. So 2x square minus x minus 11 x cancel, minus 1 by x remaining plus 2 by x square. 2 by x square equals to 0. So x square 1 by x square terms write together. You don't have to 2x square plus 2 by x square. 2 by x square. Next to minus x minus 1 by x equals to 0. So what is common? 2 common. X square plus 1 by x square. Take out minus 1 common. X plus 1 by x is equals to, what is constant? Constant undali da, minus 11, right? Minus 11 equals to 0. Minus 11 equals to 0. Now we can write it is the form of a square plus b square formula. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. So 2 into a plus b whole square, we can write this as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2ab, minus 2 into x into 1 by x, minus of x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x minus 11 equals to 0. Here x gets cancelled. So multiply with 2. 2 into x plus 1 by x whole square. 2 into x plus 1 by x whole square. 2 2s are 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus x plus 1 by x, minus of x plus 1 by x, minus 11 equals to 0. So 2 into x plus 1 by x whole square minus x plus 1 by x, minus 4 minus 11 minus 15, minus 15 equals to 0. Minus 15 equals to 0. Now take this as equation number 1. Now put x plus 1 by x is equals to t. Put x plus 1 by x is equals to t. Put x plus 1 by x is equals to t. Take this as equation number 2. Equation number 2. Substitute where t value 1 implies 2 into t 2t square minus t minus 15 equals to 0. So factors of 15 2s are 30. 30 factors 6 5s are minus 6 plus, right? So we can write minus t as minus 6t plus 5t. Minus 15 equals to 0. So what is common? 2 6 ఉంది, 6 in 2 3s రాయొచ్చు. Take out 2t common. రిమైనింగ్ ఏముంటుంది? ఇక్కడ t ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంటుంది, t minus 3. Take out 5 common. రిమైనింగ్ ఏంటి? 5. 15 అంటే 5 3s కదా, t minus 3 equals 0. t minus 3 common. t minus 3 common. Remaining 2t plus 5 equals 0. t minus 3 equals 0. Or 2t plus 5 equals 0. t minus 3 equals 0. t equals 3. Or 2t is equals to minus 5. t is equals to minus 5 by 2. Therefore t is equals to 3 or t is equals to minus 5 by 2. Now t is equals to 3 or t is equals to minus 5 by 2. Take case 1. Case 1. If t is equals to 3. If t is equals to 3, substitute t equals 3 value in equation 2. Substitute t equals 3 value in equation 2. What is the second equation? X plus 1 by x is equals to t. So x plus 1 by x is equals to 3. Now take the LCM. LCM x into x square. So x square plus 1 by x is equals to 3. So send x to the right side. So that multiplies the RHS. So x square plus 1 is equals to 3x. 3x left side send అంటే minus x అవుతుంది. So x square minus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now we have to factorize this equation. So direct factorization is not possible. So we can find the roots by using formula minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a A is equals to 1, B is equals to minus 3, C is equals to 1. So what is the formula? X is equals to minus B plus or minus under root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. By using this formula, we can find the roots of this equation. So X is equals to minus B minus of minus 3 plus or minus under root of B square minus 3 square minus 4AC, 4 into 1 into 1 by 2A, 2 into 1. Minus into minus plus 3, 3 plus or minus under root of 3 square 9, 9 minus 4 by 2, 9 minus 4 by 2, 9 minus 4 5. So X is equals to 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2, 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. These are the two roots in equation in case 1. Now take t is equals to minus 5 by 2. T is equals to minus 5 by 2. Substitute in equation 2. Now case 2. Case 2. If t is equals to minus 5 by 2. If t is equals to minus 5 by 2. Substitute in equation 2. Equation 2 implies x plus 1 by x is equals to t. X plus 1 by x is equals to minus 5 by 2. Now here LCM is x. So multiply x into x square. X square plus 1 by x is equals to minus 5 by 2. Do cross multiplication. And 2 LHS into avali, x right side into avali. So 2 into x square plus 1 is equals to minus 5x. So 2 into x square, 2x square plus 2 ones are 2 is equals to minus 5x. Minus 5x left side is plus 5x avutundi. So 2x square plus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. So factorize cheyandi. 2 2s are 4. 4 factors and 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1 5 vastundi. Yes. 4x 2x square 5x ni 4x plus 1x rastunnam. 1x plus 2 is equals to 0. From first two terms take out 2x common. First two terms x 2x common. Then remaining x untundi. Plus 4 into 2 common is equal to remaining 2 untundi. Plus 1 common. Take out 1 common. Plus 2 is equal to 0. Again what is common? X plus 2. X plus 2 common. Remaining what? 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. And x plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x is equals to minus 2. And what is second? 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies 2x is equals to minus 1. X is equals to minus 1 by 2. Therefore roots and manaki from case 1 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Starting emochundi minus 1. Therefore roots are first manaki minus 1 vachindi kada, minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2 comma 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. These are the roots. It is a fifth degree equation. Therefore, we will get 5 roots. Example 5. This is very important 7 marks question. 7 marks question. Solve the equation 6x power 6 minus 25x power 5 plus 31x power 4 minus 31x square plus 25x minus 6 equals to 0. So, this is 6th degree equation. X power 6 chudandi. So, we are converted into 4th degree equation. This is 6th degree undi kada equation. మనం 4th degree equation లో కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ బై యూజింగ్ హార్డెస్ట్ మెథడ్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x power 6? 6. x power 5 coefficient minus 25. x power 4 coefficient 31. x power 3 coefficient. Don't take x square directly. We don't have x power 3 term. So take that coefficient as 0. x square coefficient minus 31. Again x coefficient 25. Constant minus 6. Constant minus 6. Now we have to take plus 1 or minus 1. So degree is 6 kada. So definitely plus 1 minus 1 vastundi. So I am taking 1. 0 6 plus 0 6. 1 into 6 6. Minus 25 plus 6 minus 19. 1 into minus 19. So minus 19. 31 minus 19 12. 1 into 12 12. 12 plus 0 12. 1 into 12 12 again. Minus 19. Here minus 19. 25 minus 19 6. 1 into 6 6. Minus 6 plus 6 0. So remainder is 0. Therefore 1 is a root. 1 is a root. Let's take -1. Power degree 6 ఉంది కదా, డిగ్రీ 6 ఉన్న క్వశ్చన్ ఒకటే ఉంటుంది డిఫరెంట్, మన ఎగ్జాంపుల్ క్వశ్చన్ ఉంటుంది. సో +1 వస్తుంది ఒకటి, ఇంకోటి -1 వస్తుంది. 0 6 + 0 6, -1 into 6 -6, -25 + 25, 25 + 12 37, -1 into 37 -37, -37 + 2 -25, minus into minus plus, plus 25, 25 minus 19 6, minus 1 into 6 minus 6 0. So what are the roots? 1 is a root and minus 1 is a root. So 2 roots వచ్చాయి కదా, ఇంకా we have to find 4 roots. So it is a 4th degree equation. Okay na? This is coefficient of constant, coefficient of x, coefficient of x square, coefficient of x power 3, coefficient of x power 4. సో ఈక్వేషన్ ఎలా వస్తుంది మనకి, రూట్స్ ఫైనల్ రాసినప్పుడు 6 రూట్స్ రాయాలి. సో 6x power 4 minus 25x power 3 plus 37x square minus 25x plus x is equals to 0. It is a 4th degree equation. So we cannot find the roots directly. So we are converted into degree 2 equation. So if x power 4 ఉంది కదా, x square కావాలంటే టోటల్ గా x square డివైడ్ చేయాలి. సో 6x power 4 by x square minus 25x power 3 by x square plus 37x square by x square minus 25x by x square plus x is equals to 0. So cancellation, x gets cancel, ikkada square cancel, inga remaining square cancel, x cancel, remaining enti 6x square minus 25x plus 37 minus 25 by x plus x is equals to x square term, we don't x square term 25 37 by okay 37, next 25 by x power 3, ఇక్కడ x రావాలి కాన్స్టెంట్, x square sorry plus x by x square equals to 0. Now write x square terms 1 by x square terms together, and what is 6x square plus x by x square minus 25x minus 25 by x plus 37 is equals to 0. Here take out 6 common, remaining into x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square. Next take out minus 25 common, remaining into x plus 1 by x, next plus 37 equals to 0. It is in the form of a square plus 1 by b, a square plus b square, and a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So 6 into x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x minus 25 into x plus 1 by x plus 37 equals to 0. So x cancel, that is 6 to multiply 6 into x plus 1 by x whole square, 6 2 are 12 minus 12 వస్తుంది, minus 25 into x plus 1 by x plus 37 is equals to 0. So we can write this as 6 into x plus 1 by x whole square minus 25 into x plus 1 by x minus 12 plus 37 plus 25 equals to 0. Take it as equation number 1. Put x plus 1 by x is equals to t. Put x plus 1 by x is equals to t. X plus 1 by x is equals to t. And ఇక్కడ equation substitute చేయండి, ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి 6t square. So 1 implies 6t square minus 25t plus 25 is equals to 0. ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తే t ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2 వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. కేస్ 1 ఒక వాల్యూ తీసుకోండి, కేస్ 2 సెకండ్ వాల్యూ తీసుకోండి. కేస్ 1 లో సాల్వ్ చేస్తే we will get 2 roots, from case 2 we will get 2 roots, and finally roots are 1 minus 1. కేస్ 1 లో రూట్స్ వస్తాయి కదా 2 రూట్స్, అవి కేస్ 2 లో రూట్స్ వస్తాయి కదా అవి, టోటల్ 6 రూట్స్ రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ లాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్. డిగ్రీ 6 ఉంటే డిగ్రీ 4 లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. ఈక్వేషన్ డిగ్రీ 6 ఉంది అనుకోండి, డిగ్రీ 4 లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి బై యూజింగ్ హార్నెస్ మెథడ్. డిగ్రీ 5 ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఆ 5th డిగ్రీ క్వశ్చన్ కూడా డిగ్రీ 4 లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి, అంటే దానికి +1 ఆర్ -1 ఏదో ఒక రూట్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ డిగ్రీ 4 లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసి సేమ్ ఇదే ప్రొసీజర్ ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. ఓకేనా? ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ 3 and 4 డూ హ్యాస్ హోంవర్క్. ఇక్కడ నుండి కూడా రిమైనింగ్ హోంవర్క్ చేయండి. దిస్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ లాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్.